Saskatoon WIKISPEED update, Canada, October 28th. So we have here our welded joints. Marine Master, local deck stock making company, welded these up nice. They left the big weld on top like I asked them to, because they said that was going to be stronger than if we ground it off. So if the welds survive this initial test, then we'll grind them off smooth the way that I believe our standard procedure is, and I will retest them. We have the same rig as before. It is a hydraulic jack sitting on top of 2x6, which spreads the weight out over the bathroom scale. The bathroom scale is calibrated as it was last time. I've got the two pieces of 2x6 across my little deck here to spread the load out, make it level. They've been leveled to the best of my ability. I've lost my level for some reason. Not sure where I left it, so it's done by eye. It's not done perfectly, but this is a rough test anyway. This is also vertical to the best of my ability. It is probably not exactly level, and it has a little bit of a wiggle to it. I'm going to be measuring the deflection, not how high I am from the deck, but how much deflection I get in here. This clamp is in the way, so I've got another piece of aluminum tube to test it with that I will be setting up. We've got clamps screwed onto the deck, or screwed onto the shed, because I had it's getting cold. It's about 30 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and this plastic doesn't flex very well at this temperature, so I'm trying to avoid damaging it. I just put some spacers in. Anyway, that's the setup. I will be taking pictures of the deflection with my micrometer from inside that 90-degree angle, and the weights. And I think I'm going to try doing that with pictures instead of with video, because the video turned out to be incredibly boring. So I showed the first picture there, and despite my best efforts, I don't appear to be able to show sufficient resolution on a close-up to show you that is actually 2 inches, maybe a 32nd of an inch lower than 2 inches from the edge of the square into the edge here. So since I can't show it to you on pictures, I guess I'm just going to do it on video and describe it for you. Anyway, we're going to level up as much as I can. I'm going to set up to start pumping the hydraulic jack and taking the readings, and then I'll just read them to you, because, like I said, I don't seem to have the skill to be able to show it to you. This appears to be what I'm going to call point of contact. We're just touching the end of the tube here, and everything is, as I mentioned, about a 30-second less than square. So I'm going to crank it up to 5 pounds, which is there, and see if there's any difference at all. I'm hoping that there isn't. With this small amount of pressure. It does not appear to be. So I'm going to go up to 10 pounds. That took a little under three jacks, or 3 presses of the jack. Actually, I see some distortion. We're measuring some distortion already, which kind of surprises me. I think I did the last one in millimeters. We started at 2 inches here, which is 51 millimeters. I'm going to say that's 52. So we're going to go up to 15 pounds, which again is 2 presses on the jack, and it's more distorted. I would say we're at 53, up to 20 pounds pressure. Again, I'm seeing more distortion. Yeah, it's not quite 54. Just shy of 54. 25 pounds. 25 pounds, and we are a hair over 54. We are at 26 pounds. I don't remember where we were before. We're at 26 now, so I'm going to go up to 30 and see what we have. I would say that we're still at 54. We're going to go to 35. See more distortion. 55 millimeters. So we're going up to 40. A little bit more than 2 pumps now. Over 55, but not 56 yet. 45. There's 2 pumps. Okay, we have made it to 56. 50 pounds. We are past 56. Not quite 57. I'd say more like 56 and a half. And we're at 51 pounds now. 55 pounds. We are at, still going to call it 56 and a half. Okay, we are back set up. Things that had fallen down are back up. 55 pounds is where we're at. Trying to keep this system level on this side. I would say that we are at 55. I know we were higher than that. I'm going to say 55 and a half. I'm not sure why I thought it was higher than that. Okay, we're going to go to 60. Again, 2 pumps. So we are not expecting much. 56 and a quarter perhaps. So we're going to 65. 65 pounds. And we'll call that 56. And everything fell down again. Looking for vertical here. 70 pounds. The rod on the caliper bent when it dropped. Maybe that's where some of my angles are coming from here. Can I read it from the back? No. Perhaps I can read it from here better. It's too high. I need the metal, not the aluminum. Don't need to measure to the bracket. I need to measure to the aluminum in the back. Okay, I'm going to call that one 56 again. 6.25 maybe. There's not very much deflection happening here. We're still at 70 pounds. We're going to 75. Line everything up. I would say 56 and a half. Went up to 80. 80. Oh, I think my phone just turned off.